Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you set up your guest Wi-Fi on your Rogers Xfinity. So here's a guide for setting up your separate SSID or your password. Step 1. Access the local gateway administrative dashboard. Connect your laptop, desktop or your mobile device directly to your main Rogers Xfinity Wi-Fi network. Open any standard web browser application and type 10.0.0.1 into the URL address bar. Input the default admin username admin and default password as password into the prompt fields. Update your administrative password if prompted by the security interface upon your initial system entry. Step 2. Navigate to the Connection Profile Setup tab. Locate the primary structural menu panel on the left side of the gateway dashboard. Click on the Gateway option header to expand the network hardware subcategories. Select Connection and click on the Wi-Fi submenu item. Review your primary broadcasting access points displayed on the active configuration screen. Step 3. Enable the segmented guest network mode. Look for the section labeled as guest network or secondary SSID on the wireless properties panel. Click the edit or enable button adjacent to the secondary wireless broadcasting settings. Set the activation toggle to allow your Rogers gateway hardware to broadcast the standalone channel pipeline. Step 4. Configure your separate network name. That's your SSID. Locate the entry text field titled as network name, your SSID or wireless primary SSID. Delete the placeholder text and type a recognizable custom moniker for your visitors, for example, your Rogers underscore guest. Keep this name completely distinct from your primary household connection string to prevent synchronization confusion. Step 5. Assign a unique guest security password. Navigate down to the security options row and set the wireless security type to WPA2 PSK AES. Click into the text line labeled as network security key, pre-shared key or password. Input a strong unique passcode sequence that does not match your private home administrative network key. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.